In 8051, the special function registers that have dash or dash as the last digit in their hex address or bit addressable. The answer is 0 and 8. Next question. The 8051 microcontroller has dash 16-bit timer and it is configured as dash. So it has a 116-bit timer and a special function register. How many clock cycles 8051 takes to complete one machine cycle? So the answer is 12. In the serial communication of 8051, the technique of having the same address for two different registers is called double buffering. The interface chip used for data transmission between 8085 and a 16-bit ADC is 8255. Which of the following interrupts has the lowest priority? So the option is option D. So when a subroutine is called, the address of the instruction following the call instruction is stored in or on the stack. The contents of the accumulator in an 8085 microprocessor is altered after the execution of the instruction. Option C, ANI5C. Consider the following 8085 instruction. Move the value immediately A, comma A9H. Move the value immediately B, comma 57H. Add B or A. The flag status after the instruction or A is executed is 0, comma 1, comma 1. The contents of accumulator of the execution of following instructions will be. So for this coding, the output answer is 6EH. So when the anode to cathode forward voltage of SCR is increased to break over voltage value with gate circuit open, the reverse biased junction J2 breaks and hence the SCR turns on. This type of triggering is forward voltage triggering. The minimum value of anode current which must be attained during turn on process to maintain conduction when gate signal removed is called as latching current. With respect to power electronic devices, SOA means safe operating area. Option B is the correct answer. Relation between firing angle alpha, conduction angle gamma, and the acceleration angle beta. In case of single phase fully controlled rectifier working with discontinuous load current is gamma equal to beta minus alpha. Option C. The relation for the critical inductance of the filter circuit used in basic DC to DC converter with load voltage V0 and source voltage Vs, load power P0 and chopping frequency F will be L is equal to V0 square into Vs minus V0 divided by 2F Vs into P0. Next question. In VSI, the diodes connected anti-parallel with SCRs to allow the current to flow when the main SCRs are turned off. When the load is other than resistive is called feedback diodes. Next question. The output voltage waveform of a three-phase square wave inverter contains only add harmonics. An SCR chopper circuit supplies power to a DC motor What will be the nature of armature current? It should be constant. If a three-phase full converter serving a resistive load is powered by 50 Hz source, what will be the ripple frequency in the load voltage? An SCR chopper circuit supplies power to a DC motor. What will be the nature of armature current? So here the ripple frequency is equal to 300 Hz. Next, what will be the duty cycle of a DC chopper which has input voltage of 200 and an output voltage of 100 volt? So we know that V output which is equal to duty cycle into V. So duty cycle which is equal to V naught divided by V in, therefore 200 divided by 100 which is equal to, sorry, 100 divided by 200 which is equal to 0.5. So option D is the correct answer. Next one. The relationship between power taken by the pump and the speed is given by. Here the power is proportional to the speed Q. Option D is the correct answer. The Energy Conservation Act 2001 requires that all designated consumers should get energy audit conducted. It is aggregated energy auditor. Option C is the correct answer. As per IE rules 1956, what must be the minimum height of erection for low voltage and medium voltage line? It is 5.8 meter. The primary purpose of a fuse in an electrical circuit to provide the overload protection. Next question. Earthing is a critical safety measure in electrical installations. What does earthing achieve? Actually, here I think it is not. So if it is not means here improving the efficiency of the circuit. This is the answer. So whenever we provide earthing, so it minimizes the risk of electrical shock, and it also provides a path for a fault current and voltage fluctuations. Is if earth is properly connected, voltage fluctuations it should be avoided. So that the only not matching option is improving the efficiency of the circuit. The primary objective of an energy audit in a building is to identify opportunities for reducing energy consumption without compromising functionality. In an energy efficient lighting system, which of the following is least likely to be used? Actually, here the answer is incandescent lamps known for their color rendering properties. So, next one. So here else the occupancy of sensors that automatically turns on off means automatically my efficiency, energy efficiency is increases. Similarly, regular cleaning and maintenance which increases the luminous up from 20 to 30 percentage. So it is also one of the energies efficient only. So option B is the wrong answer. While evaluating pump systems for energy efficiency, a key factor to consider is to match the pumping capacity to the actual water flow requirements. So power factor correction in an electrical system can lead to reduced electricity charges due to improved efficiency. Preventive maintenance practice for electrical equipment can help to reduce the risk of equipment failures and extended lifespan. So a contactor is an electronically controlled switch. Next question. Which one of the braking methods used in DC motors need to reversal of supply terminals? It's nothing but plugging. Which one of the following represents the overload sensing coil? Option A is the correct answer. In resistance braking of DC motor, the value of braking resistor is proportional to the braking torque. Which one of the following electronic circuit cannot used in speed control DC motor? I think the answer is single phase full wave diode rectifier. In a squirrel cage, induction motor, starting torque with auto transformer starter dash times the starting torque with the DOL starter, which is equal to K square. Next question. To save energy during braking, which type of braking is used? Regenerative braking. Which of the following statement is more accurate concerning the role of the SCR in a DC motor speed control circuit? So the SCR operates as a control switch regulating the average current to the motor. In a DC motor speed control circuit using a UJT, the primary function of the UJT is to generate a relaxation oscillator signal. A three-phase induction motor control circuit includes overload protection. What is the primary purpose of this protection? To prevent the damage to the motor windings due to excessive current draw. Testing. Why is a time delay relay incorporated into a motor control circuit? So to prevent frequent on-off cycles, that means motor jockey. So which of the following AC motor applications require a DOL starter? High start, high starting torque requirement. The next one, in a single phase AC motor with a starting capacitor, the capacitor disconnect after the motor reaches the running speed or rated speed. So during DC dynamic braking of three-phase induction motor, the machine is operated as generator. A star connected 11 kilowatt three-phase scroll cage induction motor is usually started by star delta start. A three-phase, so if you see this problem, the problem பார்க்கறதுக்கு முன்னாடி 197 பார்த்துருவோம். So actually ரெண்டு ப்ராப்ளமே சேம் ப்ராப்ளம். The only thing, the starter is the only difference. Here DOL starter is used, here star delta starter is used. A three-phase induction motor having full load slip of 3%. So that means slip is 0.03. And it take 8 times the full load current at the time of starting. So that means starting current divided by full load current, which is equal to 8. So then what they ask for starting torque with respect to the full load torque. இதோட வேல்யூ தான் நான் calculate பண்ணணும். ஸோ இதுக்கான ஃபார்முலா அப்படின்னு சொல்லி பார்த்தோன்னா, here the ratio is equal to S into this starting current divided by full load current the whole square. So 0.03 into 8. Here it is square for 8 square. So therefore 64 into 3. So 12, 1, 19. Double sum. So therefore the answer is 1.9. So here it is 1.92. So whenever we use star delta starter instead of DOL starter, then this torque ratio is reduced by 1 by third. So therefore 1 by third of 1.92 is the answer for this problem. So if I simplify this, எனக்கு என்ன கிடைக்கும்னு பார்த்தோன்னா 0.64 கிடைக்கும். இப்போ ஆப்ஷன் ஏ தான் கரெக்டான ஆன்சர். Next. For starting an induction motor, star delta starter can be considered equivalent to an auto transformer starter with the ratio of 57.73%. So which property of UJT qualifies it for the relaxation oscillator? Here it is negative resistance characteristics. SCR is a so it is a unidirectional current control device and it is a 3-terminal 4-layer device also, and it also called as a latching device. So all of the above is the correct answer. Thank you.